All right, this is truly amazing. Claude Code is really shattering all of the things that we thought we could do with AI because it is allowing us to fully automate our SEO, fully automate our social media content creation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build out a Claude workflow that's going to fully automate your ranking, your traffic, your social media. This is going to be next level. I'm going to show you how to set all of this up, and I'm going to give you the strategy behind why this works and show you some real results of people using this strategy. All right, diving right in, here's what we're going to go over today. I'm going to show you some real results of people using this strategy and this workflow. I'm going to give you the tools that are needed. I'm going to give you the strategy behind why this works so you actually understand it. I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated SEO workflow. It's going to boost your traffic, your rankings, your citations in AI, in LLMs, all that stuff. And I'm going to give you a bonus. This one's really cool, how to build out your social media automation that's going to piggyback off of your SEO automation. So here's what I'm talking about. And these are the tools that you guys are going to need. Obviously, Claude Code. I'm going to show you how to install that. The other tools that I'm using in this workflow are Blotato and Arvow. Arvow is really kind of the missing link that people need to really get this really clicking on all cylinders so that they can get these kind of results. Sure, you could use just Claude Code, but when you piggyback AIs on top of one another with this workflow, this is what makes this really, really powerful. And this is how you see these kinds of results. As far as zero traffic to an explosion in traffic. Same thing with this company using this strategy and these tools. And same thing with this company using these strategy and these tools. Literally hockey stick growth. The other thing I want to mention is as far as the AI citations, this is really important, and this is really helping you get a lot more traffic. Clients using this strategy get a lot more traffic because their content is being found in AI overviews because they're matching search intent better. So you can see they're getting a ton of AI overviews. They're showing up in ChatGPT, Perplexity. So this is going to continue to grow the longer they do this strategy. And one way to monitor your AI citations, and one of the cool tools that I'm going to talk about in depth is Arvow, which there's a link below. They have a LLM brand monitor. So you can basically type in long tail keyword searches here and monitor the visibility, the sentiment, how you're ranking across LLM platforms to monitor this. So this is one of the features of Arvow, but also the main feature is linking this with Claude Code to really improve your overall ranking and traffic. So it's really kind of next level how this is put together. So let's dive in. So you've seen the results. I showed you the tools that are needed. Here is the strategy behind how this works so you at least understand it really, really fast. What this strategy does is it targets the bottom of the funnel. So here is the top of the funnel. Here is the bottom of the funnel. Top of the funnel is low conversion opportunities. They're not close to a buying decision yet. We want to focus on the bottom of the funnel, high search intent opportunities because the conversion potential is higher, the sales potential is higher. These people are much closer to a buying decision. So how do we do that? We target bottom of the funnel keywords, keyword combinations with our content, with our blog content, with our social media content. Up here, top of the funnel, we don't really want to focus on too much. This could bring in more traffic, but the search intent is not as low, and the buy-in conversion potential is very, very low. Like this would be like someone looking for running shoes. They don't even know what kind of running shoes they want yet. They have no idea on brand, style, function. Whereas if we do bottom of the funnel content on running shoes for men over 50 with sore backs, that they're much closer to a buying decision. It's solving their problem immediately. So that's where we want to focus our content. So we want to pull out all those long tail keyword opportunities, blog opportunities, and then we want to basically release content focusing on those opportunities. And then we want to link that content back to our money pages, back to our service pages, our money pages, where people can make that buying decision. And then in our service pages, we're going to link to our best performing articles to basically keep that loop going, keep the buyer engaged. But really the whole goal is to release amazing content that ranks really, really well. It's getting picked up on AI overviews on LLMs, and then people are bouncing from that content to our money pages because we instantly built that trust. The problem is, how do we do this where it's not taking us hours, thousands of hours of time? How can we fully automate this? Well, you can fully automate this with Claude Code. So what you're going to need to do first, and how I have this set up, is we don't want to run Claude from Claude, right? We want to run it from our native computer. We want to have it on our computer and save all of our assets. So Claude Code, you can do that with Visual Studio. So Visual Studio is here. Download this. It is free. This allows you to run Claude Code from your computer natively. So you can save all of your documents and build out skills that are saved natively inside your computer. So you're not going externally and having your stuff external. So it works a lot better running it from Visual Studio Code. So you're going to download Visual Studio Code. It's going to look like this once it's downloaded. And what we want to do here is a couple of things. It's probably going to look more like this. What you want to do first and foremost is go down here to the apps, search for Claude. It's not going to automatically pop up. Pops up for me because I already did it. Search for Claude and then click on it here. You're going to have it here. Open up the window, close this window. Kind of looks a little weird, but close that. So then you're going to be working from it like this. It looks the same as it would look on your computer on a website. But the key is we're going to save everything on our computer. So the other thing, you can't really see it from here. At the very top of your screen, you're going to see File and then an Open Folder option. So first, create a folder on your desktop. Save it whatever you want. Claude AI Workflow or Claude SEO, whatever you want to save it on your desktop. And then we're going to go to File at the very top and open that folder. So then what it's going to do is create a folder of all of our assets on our computer. So it's going to continue to update, pull from, save. And this is really nice because you can continue to add assets in here that Claude can work from, photos that they can use in content, brand assets, all that stuff. Plus it's going to build out all of these assets for you guys. So to build out this workflow, I have a prompt for you that literally you're just going to copy and paste the prompt into Claude and work from that prompt to build out your skills. So your skills that you're building out just allows you to reference them later. So we can build out a blog skill and then we can build out a social media skill. So then you can just tell it, okay, Claude, I want you to plan my week's worth of content for blogs, and it'll reference the skill that you created and create that. For social media, same thing once you build out the skills. So the prompt is going to allow you to build out these skills really, really fast. All right, so going back here is the prompt. And if you want this, type prompt below. I will send you the prompt, a link to this prompt, because this is going to be next level. But here's kind of what we talked about. This strategy, this prompt puts the strategy into action. So first, it's going to ask for your business information. So you want to make sure to include this and edit this prompt to include all of your business information. Then it's going to analyze your local competition and find gaps in the market and opportunities and things that are working well so you can duplicate those opportunities and basically target the gaps in the market. Then it's going to create blog titles with a primary keyword relating to that competitive analysis and those opportunities. Like I said, it's going to target those bottom of the funnel opportunities for your blog title and primary keyword. Then it's going to basically ask for, you're going to tell it, or you're going to use Arvow. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to create the blog opportunities, and then it's going to send them via API to Arvow to generate the blogs, because Arvow is nice. You can go in here and basically set Arvow up to align with your brand. Claude's going to align with your brand, but then Arvow is going to use your brand and even the brand assets you include to write the articles in an SEO friendly way. Whereas Claude could write really good articles, but then you're going to have to basically edit them and include all the back-end SEO. This is where Arvow takes care of that. Again, there's a link below where you can see the link to Arvow. But if you go in here, basically what Arvow is doing is you can do this manually where you can include the keyword and the title and then basically create the articles. But this is going to do it using their API on the back end. So you're not going to have to include anything manually. So what it's doing, and here's where you can include all the assets. So you can configure this, do a configuration and include all your brand assets. But here's kind of what it looks like. So if you go in here to knowledge base, you can basically include your website. So it'll use the information in your website to help generate the articles to make sure everything is aligned with your brand and your offerings. Formatting you can change, structure you can add call to action. This is really good. All this is for perfect for AI overviews. So you want to leave these on because it pulls that information. Internal linking, this is where it gets really powerful. You can include your sitemap and it'll link. The blog articles will link to your other pages, to your money pages. So that's really, really powerful. It'll externally link to trusted sources. You can include your own images, your own brand assets if you want, or it'll generate them for you. You can include your own YouTube, or it'll find a relevant YouTube video to include in the article. So here's kind of like an example, just so you get an idea of how amazing this is. Let's find one. This is on lawn service. This is on brakes. There's a lot of different examples here. Best way to lose weight, high protein. Let's just do like a high protein diet for women over 40. So we go in here. If I open this up, this is where this is powerful and you can kind of see why you want to use a tool like this because it has the built-in SEO. So it has H3s, H2s over here, focus keyword, meta description, alt text on your images. Here's where we're internally linking and externally linking to trusted sources and your money pages. So really, really fantastic. Here's a relevant YouTube video, amazing picture, alt text, and it does all this for you. You would have to basically transfer the articles into your website and then do all this editing where it does it for you. And the other cool thing is how you want to set up, because the Claude's going to ask for the API. So you want to go make sure you go in here into integrations and basically create an integration, hit API, and this is the information you want to give. The Claude Code that's going to basically send the generations to Arvow, and then you want to link your website here as well because it's going to send it to Arvow, and then Arvow is going to automatically send it to your website. So you want to create an integration for your website. Really, really easy to do depending on what you're using for your content. So that's the key. That's how this works. That's the part of this blog that, or this prompt that works, goes to Arvow, and then what it's going to do. And this is what's really cool. Here's the bonus for you, is it's going to create social content from the RSS feed, right? So it's going to, you're curating your RSS feed, your blog content based on everything up here. So then we're pulling the RSS feed and then creating our social media content from that. Why we want to do that is we want to use the information we already have, the work that we already did targeting those bottom of the funnel, high search intent topics, and then we want to turn those into social media content, which is also going to perform well, and then send traffic back to our blog articles, back to our money pages, back to our social media. So it's going to do that for us as well, create a skill for our social media content. And then what we're going to do once it creates that is I use Blotato to automatically publish the content to social media. So all of these social media channels. So this is a fantastic tool. I use the API. So you would go in here, do the API, get the API key. So then basically it'll send this to Blotato to schedule out on all of your social media channels. So if I go in here, I can go to my calendar and you can see that I have it scheduling all of my content automatically. I did not schedule any of this. This is all being done by Claude Code automatically. So you can set up what time slots you want, like a 10, a 3, a 5, or whatever time slots you want. Maybe you only want one time slot a day. Pick which time slots for which social media channels, and then you're just going to tell Claude Code, once you approve everything, okay, put it in the next available slot, or put it whenever you want it. So it's really, really powerful how that works. So that's a part of this. Visual content rules. This is how it's creating the graphic images. So you can upload your own images to use, or it'll create images for you. And Blotato can also create images as well. So if it works for your brand, you can have Claude Code send the prompt to Blotato, and it'll create the images or videos for you. So here's some infographics that I have it automatically creating and posting. So there's a lot of different templates in here that you can use. If you like one of these designs, you can basically just tell Claude Code, hey, use Blotato to create a trail marker infographic. So it'll create it in here, and then it'll schedule it to post. Really, really crazy stuff. So that's that. Publishing automation. This is Blotato. You have to just give it your API, give it the information. It'll ask you for everything it needs. It looks a little complex, but it's not. Claude Code, you're just going to continue. It'll ask you to approve as it's building out the skills. So you just approve it, and then it'll ask you questions of what you want it to do. But basically, the foundation of it is it's going to basically create a list of blog title concepts with keywords. And then you have to be like, okay, I like all these, approve. And then it's going to send it to Arvow to create. And then it's going to send it to your website as a draft. Or you can have it publish automatically. I usually send it to my website as a draft. And then I go in and just schedule and publish it. But you never really need to even go to Arvow. You're using it as the creation platform to send it out. And then what it's doing is it's also, the other skill is it's going to create your social media content, your captions, your titles for Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and you're going to do the same thing. Do you want to approve them? Okay, you approve it. It's sending it over to Blotato to schedule and post, or it'll send it to Blotato to create the infographic, and then it'll schedule it to post, and then it's going to post it out to Facebook, Instagram, wherever you guys want. Crazy awesome workflow. This works so good. I use this every single day for multiple brands. But this is the starting point. Type prompt below. Again, there's a link to Arvow. That's the missing piece of why this works so well. And then, of course, I use Blotato, which helps me schedule everything. Very, very inexpensive. You can replace your entire content team, your entire marketing team with this workflow alone. So really, really nuts. So try it out. Let me know if you have any questions below. But yeah, this is really awesome stuff.